Hey guys, welcome to this video about the future continuous. In this video, we're going to look at when do we use the future continuous tense, and also how do we make good sentences using this. I'm going to be using this, which is my website, which you can see here. And let's start with this diagram. So the future continuous, obviously it's in the future. So we're talking about the future, and we're talking about an action or a state that will be in progress in the future. Okay, so it's an action or a state, and it will be in progress in the future. Look at the example here. So, I will be watching TV at 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock is in the future, it's one point in the future, and the action that will be in progress at this time, I will be watching TV. Okay, at 6 o'clock, this is the action in progress. It's not a short action that happens for 1 second or 1 moment. It's a longer action in progress. We've got this example for a negative sentence. She won't be sleeping for 8 hours. So that's in the future. And this period of time, she won't be sleeping for 8 hours. And for a question, will you be staying here tonight? Tonight is in the future. So if we look on this timeline, we can imagine that this point here, this is tonight. Will you be staying here tonight? And that action is an action in progress. It's a long action. It's not a short moment. It's over a period of time. So that's why we use the future continuous. How do we make good sentences with the future continuous? Well, we need a few things. We need the verb will, the modal verb will, we need the verb be, and then we need a verb ing. Okay, let's have a look at these examples. And my example here is about playing football. So in positive sentences, I will be playing football. Yeah? Very simple. You will be playing football. Has that changed between I and you? No, it's exactly the same. For all people, it's exactly the same. So we're quite lucky in that respect with this tense. He, she, it, and we, they, all of them take will be playing. Okay, for negative, it's just as easy. We change will for won't. So I won't be playing football. Don't forget, won't is will not contracted together. I won't be playing football. And the same for all people. For questions, will I be playing football? Will you be playing football? Don't forget, this is at some point in the future, specific point in the future, this action in progress. Will I be playing football? Will you be playing football? Same for all people, very easy. So there we have it. We use the future continuous to talk about an action in progress at some point in the future. And to make positive, negative, and question sentences, it's very simple. We need will, we need the verb be, and we need the verb with ing. Okay, if you have any questions about this tense or about anything else, you can find my website and you can send me a message and we can get in touch. I can give you a free demo lesson, a Skype demo lesson, where we can discuss what you need and we can make a plan from there. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.